So welcome back everyone, and in this video we'll be talking about how to know which are the prime numbers in a given range that is given as input by the user. So it will be giving a range that is the first number and the n number, and all the numbers that are prime lying in between this range will be given as output to us by the computer. So how you can do implement in Python? I'm going to tell you a new thing in on how to take an input. I'm going to tell you about how to use map function while giving input, so that the input that you will give to the user at once will be taken and assigned to the multiple variables such as first and second. Okay, so first and second, what it is going to do is that it will it will a map function will convert the inputs into integer, and input as usual dot split, and what this split will do, that the input that will be giving by splitting it by a space, by a white space, so it will extract each at once and assign it to a variable that we mentioned here, first and second. So let's see, print print if this is working or not. First dot second, and as well I'm going to just print the type of first and type of second for you, since the usual notion in Python is to take the input as an integer, but this map function will also convert it into integer. Is usual in string, but this will convert it into an integer. So print first and second map input dot split. Okay, okay. 12 and 15. 12 and 15, class of int, class int. Okay, this is working. No need of this now. Must have understood it by now. Okay, so what we are going to, we will take for I in range first to second. Since we are considering the last number as well, if you're given it 50, 40 to 50, we will consider 52 to declare whether it's a prime number or not. Although it isn't, but it will consider it. The loop will run from 40 to 50. So this is why we're mentioning here, and we will set a flag that will be 0. All right. So if the flag hasn't changed, this means that our number is a prime number. For j in range 2, as 1 is in a prime number, it will check from 2 to the number 1 before. So, okay, but receiver mode, sorry. Okay, one number before the actual number that it is checking on. So if it's checking into 13, it will check into 12, from 2 to 12. If that number is divisible by any number from 2 to 12, it is a prime number. And it is not, so this is the reason that 13 is a prime number. So 2 from I, it will check I. All right, no problem here. If j, sorry, if I, no, if j, sorry again, if I is divisible by j 0, then we will set the flag to 1, and we will break out. And if it is not the case, we'll break out of the loop. And if our flag is unchanged, that is 0, then we will print that I sorry, is prime. Alright, we'll see if it is working or not. Give the range from 40 to 50. So 41 is a prime, 43 is a prime, and 47 is a prime. Good, it is working. So this was it from this video. We learned how to calculate which numbers are prime in a given particular range. I hope you like it. See you in the next one with some other problem. And the difficulty of problem will increase from now onwards. We will do some interesting problems and we will go on to do some complex problems like what is how to calculate like problems on Armstrong number, Harshad number, permutations, combinations, patterns that will just build your basic foundation that and make it strong, make your coding skills strong. So this was it from this video. See you in the next one.